Hi everyone, today we're going to be looking at this ThunderX3 chair.
Let's go over my building notes. The instructions could have been printed a little bit larger. I had a hard time seeing those. The hardware could have been labeled better, like A, B, and C, and kept together for each step, instead of separating according to screw size and washer size. And I would suggest having a friend help you build this, as lining things up and having to hold such a heavy chair can be quite awkward. Okay, let's look at the key features. Two models are available, the TC3 MAX, which we are looking at today, and the TC5 MAX. Both have XXL size design with engraved ThunderX3 logo on the side covers, armrests, and the casters. The chair is ergonomically friendly, designed, and keeps you feeling comfortable and relaxed. AirTech for maximum breathability, premium leatherette with carbon style pattern, adjustable head and back cushions. Available in 9 color options. The chair has an adjustable backrest, rocking butterfly mechanism, adjustable seat height. Hydraulic gas lift allows for seat height adjustment with 360-degree swivel, multi-directional armrests. It's strong and sturdy and comes equipped with BIFMA-approved Class 4 hydraulic gas lift supporting up to 150 kilograms or 331 pounds. And here's what we found. A tall person may find the bottom of the headrest can slightly dig into the shoulders and neck area, but our reviewer said it felt more comfortable than a lot of the others, which are just foam wrapped in a bag. We also found the lumbar support to be a bit long, but this is down to a personal preference. The seat is comfortable, more so than others we reviewed in this price range, and our reviewer felt he could easily sit for a long period and be comfortable. The seat is wide enough as well for a well-built person, and the chair supports weights of 23.5 stone, 150 kilos, or 330 pounds. The arms are adjustable both in height and able to rotate to the sides. We found they were able to support our reviewer's weight when he stood with ease. However, he would have liked them to be able to adjust upwards of 5 centimeters more. The chair swivels and reclines with no issue, and when you recline, it keeps its position. The wheels move around with ease and seem better quality than most. When you lean forward, you do not feel like you will topple over like in some chairs. And overall, the chair looks good and the theme follows through from the wheels to the cushion to the chair back and arms, and we especially like the carbon effect on the arms. So in conclusion, not only is the chair comfortable to sit in, but it looks good as well. And for this reason, we highly recommend this product.
Thank you for watching this video everyone, it's really appreciated you made it all the way to the end. Please make sure you subscribe, like, comment, and even click that bell so you get notifications of new videos and live streams. It does help support the channel, and supporting the channel basically means that we can release more content for you and also better quality content going forward. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you next time.